let's have a look in John's van and let's see what you've got.
Right, okay.
All nicely stacked.
All nicely in, ready to go, ready for fitting.
Yeah. So you've got 6 boxes.
I have, yes.
So can you just explain which are windows, which are flashings?
Yep, so we've got 3 M4 Ultima windows and 3 KUF flashings for those windows, so we can get them fitted up into that roof. We've got the correct flashing kit. We know it's
And that's because the tiles are a bigger profile tile?
That's it, that's it.
As opposed to a flat
As
concrete.
opposed to a flat concrete tile or rosemary tile. The KUFs, they are designed for these tiles.
Yeah. And do you find they work okay?
They work absolutely fine.
Yeah.
No faults with them at all.
Excellent. These 3 windows, are the front, back or?
These are for the front pitched roof.
So all 3 in the front?
All 3 in the front, yeah.
Because you're putting the dormer on the back?
Because of the dormer on the back.
Yeah, that makes sense now.
Northern Building Plastics. Why collect when we can deliver?